Hi guys, so today I'm doing a video. I'm doing a updated what's on my iPhone video. So first off, I have my messages, calendar, photos. I have a lot of photos in here because I have 2 terabyte of iPhone storage. And then I have my camera. This is just weather, my Apple weather, and then I have my what the F weather. What the F weather is like funny quotes for your weather. Clock, I wake up at 9:30 every day, but that doesn't help because I automatically wake up at 7. So my maps, and then Google Maps, my app store, my settings, which I know I have a little notification there, is because I have a software update that needs to be updated. So, and then I have my books. I have my Goodreads. These are all the books I've read. Really good. And then I have my Audible, which I don't use Audible. I have my Shazam, which is just regular Shazam. I like this because you can see what you Shazammed already. And then I have my Spotify, and then I have my Apple shit folder, which is Find My iPhone, voice memos, which I use a little bit for my YouTube, and then I use my email, which I use like regularly because all I have is coupons on there, so that's awesome. My notes and my Jeffrey calculator, my TV, my stocks, my wallet, my music, which I don't use because I use Spotify, my health, reminders, iBooks, which I don't use because I like to read. I like having my books. I don't like using my phone to read. And then I have my news shopping folder. I have a lot on my shopping folder. I have Amazon, Fandango, Uber Eats, Waze, which is really awesome. And then I have my Sephora, OfferUp, Zappos, Forever 21, Ticketmaster, Etsy, Yelp, Wish, Ipsy, Domino's, H&M, Pink Nation, Redbox, Venmo, Old Navy, Target, Romree, which is, or my grocery, Walmart grocery, which is really cool. You could pick it up. And then earnings, which doesn't really help because it did a thing where like, if you buy something on Amazon, then you automatically, if the price goes up, since the time you bought it, if the price goes up, then you get paid. They pay you back. And then I have my Disneyland, Poshmark, which I don't use, and Ulta Beauty, apartments, where like if you're looking for an apartment, you can definitely go in here, and it tells you all the apartments in your area. Chipotle, I love Chipotle. Even the last time I had Chipotle, I had a hair in my food. So yeah, okay. So and then I have Tattoo-Do, which is really awesome. Tattoo-Do is a app which they just give you ideas for tattoos. Allegiant Airlines, which I don't fly anywhere, so I don't know why I have it. It's just because I have 2 terabyte of my phone and I don't know what to put on it, so I just put on random apps. Okay, and then I have Around Me and the rewards for TGI Fridays, Starbucks, which I recently got, it's great, and then I have Walmart, which I'm a Walmart. I have my YouTube, ABC Family. I'm sorry. Okay, and then I have ABC, Fox News, Freeform, which is ABC Family, Lifetime. Lifetime is like Lifetime. And then I have TLC Go because I'm really into Little People Big World and like 90 Day Fiance. And I have You Now, which is a like podcast type of thing. And then I have my YouTube folder, which is videos and editing my videos and stuff. So I have CuteCut, Vaunt, that is Vaunt, not Vonto. And then I have Fonto, and then Venmo, Vimeo, iMovie, Effect Shop, YouTube Studio, like, I do not know what that is, Medisto, whatever that is. Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, messages, repost, which is awesome. It's like a repost for like Instagram. You can repost somebody else's picture on your Instagram or videos on your very own Instagram, And then I have Boomerang, which I don't really know why I do because Instagram has Boomerang now. So, and then I have Vigo Photos. Touch Tunes, it's like a jukebox type of thing. And then you can like connect to a jukebox, which is a touch tunes. It's a touch tunes jukebox, and you can connect your phone, and they have coins, and you can use your coins to play music. I have Pandora, which I don't use because I use Spotify again. Pick Stitch, which I don't use any of like photo. I don't use my phone for like editing. My Snapchat and my Facebook, my Tasties and Food Network Kitchen, what's in the kitchen. I have a period tracker, which is really cool. It's called PD. And I have Sworkit, which is a sleep cycle, which is really cool. It like manages your sleep. And I have Body Love, which is another workout thing. I have tons and tons of games. I do not know why. And then I have my Bitmoji, Best Fiends, My Vega, Dune, which is so cool. I have Stack Jump, Bali, which I'm a pro at. And then I have Peak, Virtual Reality Roller Coaster, Word Searches, Virtual Reality Water Park, Maze Walk, which is another virtual reality thing, a Virtual Reality X Racer, Flow Free, Trivia Crack, Rise Up, Recolor, which is really cool. Harry Potter app, and then I have Love Balls, and then I have my sales, which I don't normally use. I have coupons, Shopkick, Ibotta, Deals, Retail Me Not, Groupon, and Masterclass. I don't know what Masterclass is. And then I have Moments for Facebook. Then I have my phone, my contacts, Safari, and my FaceTime. So that is the end of my video, guys. I hope you all enjoy what's on my iPhone. And if you guys want to see this makeup look, I have a video coming up shortly, soon. I'm trying to make more videos because it's going to be summertime and I'm off work. So if you guys have any video ideas, app suggestions, everything, whatever, like anything, you guys can totally comment down below and let me know. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all later, guys, in my next video. Okay. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all later, guys, in my next video.